So friends, finally Rogbid Rowatch 7 with ECG capacity and vibrate AMOLED curved display smartwatch is launched, and this smartwatch look is very pretty. Here you see, and in this smartwatch company also provide very premium quality types of features. And talking about the features, so in this smartwatch display size is 1.85-inch curved AMOLED display, and in this smartwatch also very fantastic feature related to health, and feature is ECG button in this smartwatch, and blood oxygen level monitoring sensor, heart rate sensor, and and other important health related feature also in this smartwatch company has provided. And talking about the battery backup, so battery backup in this smartwatch is approximately 7 days, and battery size is 300 mAh polymer battery, and after you charge this smartwatch full, then you use this smartwatch approximately 7 days. So battery backup overall very fantastic, very nice, useful. And price is this smartwatch price is 40 point 44.99 dollar. So what do you think this smartwatch? Please tell me. And second, and this smartwatch original price is 99.99 dollar. And what do you think this smartwatch? Please tell me. And thank you for watching this video.